I mean?
How do you feel about the jury selection so far?
It's neutral today, right? Down one, up one, so we're still holding at 16, and we're back here tomorrow. Fun and games and good times, huh?
The pace is kind of slow compared to last year. We're almost double, 5 for 10 days of jury selection. To what can we attribute that, do you think, Bill?
Well, I mean, by my count, we're into 3 years in running, so I mean, there's too many people. A lot of people know what's going on, and they've formed their opinions. And of course, as the parents of Karen, we wholeheartedly believe their opinions are overwhelming when they look at the evidence, the ARCA, the dishonorable discharge of Trooper Proctor. It's hard to believe that we're still doing this, but we are, and a lot of people know about it. I mean, they come in and they're being honest, and they have a... Thank you. They have an opinion, and it's probably difficult to shed that opinion and listen to something over 8 weeks. And 8 weeks is a long time. I mean, for prospective jurors, the idea of being out of work, and I don't know what the compensation is here, $12, $15 a day, and that's not going to cut it. So that presents a particular handicap. So you got 6 to 8 weeks, which is a handicap, and plus, again, so many people know about the Karen Reed case. It's no longer just regionally, it's nationally and internationally. And
Mr. Reed, the Supreme Court is going to weigh in at the end of the month whether it's going to take up this. Should they put this trial on hold while waiting for the Supreme Court?
Well, I mean, you're going to have to ask Judge Beverly Cannoni about that. I mean, that's certainly beyond my realm. I mean, I don't understand that. My sense is, from what I've heard from the team, is that they're going to conference on the 25th. And at that point, they may announce whether or not they're going to take up the case, or they may not announce. I just don't know.
And there's been a lot of jurors who've been excused that we've seen. And do you feel that's a fair process that's taking place, that these are people who probably needed to go?
I think so. I think, in fairness, if people have a judgment ahead of time and a bias ahead of time, favorably or unfavorable toward our daughter, my son here, I think it's in the interest of fairness and justice. I mean, that's all we want is justice, to be fair.
Mr. Reed, you mentioned that this case is national now.
Yes.
Today, prosecutors filed a notice and they plan to use your daughter's statements as evidence against her, and your interviews as well. How does that make you feel?
Come at me. I live by the truth. I answer to a higher maker, and I'll tell the entire truth. And there's nothing we are hiding in the Reed family. My daughter has spoken out of frustration. When we started off 6 months into this case, we had no idea the depth and the scope of the wall we were facing. And my daughter reached out as a way of trying to get the story out. I mean, there were never these microphones in front of us 6 months into June 22. And now, we can't go out to dinner. We can't even go to Sunday Mass. We get, people asking us about the case. And so,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
appreciate it.